Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about different clothing items in English. So now, let's get started. T-shirt. T-shirt. He wears a t-shirt in the summer. Sweater. Sweater. She puts on a sweater when it's cold. Shorts. Shorts. He wears shorts at the beach. Scarf. Scarf. She wraps a scarf around her neck. Belt. Belt. He uses a belt to keep his pants up. Boots. Boots. She wears boots when it rains. Blouse. Blouse. She wears a blouse to work. Jeans. Jeans. He wears jeans every day. Cap. Cap. He wears a cap to protect his head from the sun. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. She wears sunglasses when it's sunny. Glasses. Glasses. He wears glasses to see better. Suit. Suit. He wears a suit to the office. Tie. Tie. He wears a tie with his shirt. Jumpsuit. Jumpsuit. She wore a jumpsuit to the party. Vest. Vest. He wears a vest over his shirt. Pajamas. Pajamas. She wears pajamas to bed. Raincoat. Raincoat. He wears a raincoat when it rains. Sandals. Sandals. She wears sandals in the summer. Tights. Tights. She wears tights under her dress. Cardigan. Cardigan. He wears a cardigan to keep warm. Coat. Coat. She wears a coat when it's cold outside. Poncho. Poncho. She likes wearing a poncho. Hat. Hat. He puts on a hat to keep warm. Gloves. Gloves. She wears gloves to keep her hands warm. Dress. Dress. She wears a dress to the party. Skirt. Skirt. She wears a skirt with a blouse. Sneakers. Sneakers. He wears sneakers when he goes running. Blazer. Blazer. He wears a blazer to look smart. High heels. High heels. She wears high heels to the event. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. He puts on a bathrobe after a shower. Tracksuit. Tracksuit. She wears a tracksuit for her morning jog. Overalls. Overalls. He wears overalls when working on the farm. Beanie. Beanie. She wears a beanie to keep her head warm. Bathing suit. Bathing suit. He wears a bathing suit at the pool. Mittens. Mittens. She wears mittens in the snow. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment and share to get more useful knowledge.